सुबह 2 बजे खबर आई है कि इंडिया ने स्ट्राइक किए हैं टेररिस्ट बेस कैंप्स इन पाकिस्तान।
He has just put a poster. Trailer is yet to come.
दे आर क्लेमिंग कि ये हम सिविलियन एरियाज में हमने ये अटैक किए हैं।
This is just a beginning. You watch yourself.
व्हाई इज पाकिस्तान ऑलवेज इन डिनायल?
The world has started accepting बाकी करे ना करे.
पाकिस्तान के लोग भी पाकिस्तान की गवर्नमेंट को सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे।
There is no government पहली बात तो. They are puppets. जो रात को मिडनाइट में आपको हमने सूरज दिखाया है ना, this will keep happening now.
एनएसजी में इतने कमांडोज क्यों नहीं होते? फिल्मों में दिखाया जाता है कि बहुत बड़े बड़े मसल्स होते हैं।
इतने मेरे बड़े मसल हो गए.
हमारी डिफेंस फोर्सेस पे हमें क्यों कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए? एंड हाउ द इंडियन आर्म्ड फोर्सेस आर डिफरेंट देन द रेस्ट?
Where we will be giving them complimentary कटोरा.
ट्रूप्स भी रिजाइन कर रहे हैं।
And this time it is 4 parts.
सर, बांग्लादेश जब बना था इतनी एट्रोसिटीज की थी उस समय पाकिस्तानी जनरल्स ने, पाकिस्तानी आर्मी ने। गुड मॉर्निंग कर्नल बगा, वेलकम टू द डीप रूट टॉक्स।
Good morning to you. In fact, I am very grateful to you that you have called me on your platform, and that on the day when we are totally on real great. We have made the Pakis on the spin, actually. And that is a wonderful time to give my viewpoint and definitely like to give something more about these guys are now should start counting their time.
एज वी से, एज वी आर टॉकिंग, आज सुबह 2 बजे खबर आई है कि इंडिया ने स्ट्राइक किए हैं टेररिस्ट बेस कैंप्स इन पाकिस्तान एंड थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड टुडे। इट्स नॉट द सेम। 7 मई 2025। हाउ डू यू सी ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में?
First of all, I really clap on this great action by our government, by our armed forces, and what we were supposed to do. And actually, we say that we have really acted in total professional manner. We are a professional army, professional air force. It's not like a Pakis who has got a certain hidden agenda trying to mislead the entire world. जो ऑपरेशन सिंदूर हुआ है, very aptly we have selected the name. It's a great that you are rightly brought out that things are not is totally different what it used to be. The thing is that we have conveyed the message again to Pakis that we do not really mingle our words, and we have selected our targets and data हमारे पास है. Every target data is with us, and you have been hit so badly that there is utter confusion in you guys that what is happening. एक चीज मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा. इनके information minister who had gone yesterday, and he was feeling so happy and showing media personals from a chopper like a god from a distance. The world is beautiful. Oh, look at the bloody world is beautiful. The same place we are struck. And this is what the message you wanted to give you. और आप लोगों को कुछ भ्रम है कि that we have got a lot of patience. We definitely got a lot of patience. अभी we have just put a poster. Trailer is yet to come. Full movie will be flashed subsequently.
दे आर क्लेमिंग कि ये हम सिविलियन एरियाज में हमने ये अटैक किए हैं, बट वेयर एज आर इंटेलिजेंस आर क्लेम इज दैट हमने टेररिस्ट कैंप्स ही उड़ाए हैं, कि किसी सिविलियन एरिया में, किसी सिविलियन स्पेस में या एरिया में कोई बॉम्बिंग नहीं हुई। सो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से ऑन दैट?
देखो, if I talk about Bhavalpur, which is 100 kilometer inside, the terrorist most wanted man by our country, that man is residing there. अब मत छुपाइए उसको वहाँ पे. But my compliments to the perfection of Indian Army and the armed forces that they have hit that house only. बाकी मोहल्ले वाले आसपास में खड़े होकर देख रहे थे. And if you talk about civilians, what you guys are doing, you're killing the innocents. अब थोड़ा सा वहाँ पे हमने स्प्लिंटर्स लगा दिए या थोड़ी सी मिसाइल लगा दी, आपको बहुत बड़ा अफसोस हो रहा है उसके बारे में. This is just a beginning. You watch yourself.
तो why is Pakistan always in denial? ये डिनाइल में क्यों रहते हैं कि हमारे पास तो टेररिस्ट है ही नहीं, हम खुद विक्टिम्स हैं, एंड वेयर एज द वर्ल्ड नोज दैट इट इज नॉट द ट्रूथ. तो व्हाई इज दैट एंड व्हाई आर दे स्टिल नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग द फैक्ट्स?
Partially तो they have accepted. उनका जो डिफेंस मिनिस्टर है very confidently giving a interview to some foreign media कि yes we are carrying this weight for past 3 decades. और किसने बोला था आप लोगों को मत करते? एंड वाई यू आर denying it? और आपके टीवी वाले ही मीडिया गाइज आर शोइंग देयर इंटरव्यूज, द इंटरव्यूज ऑफ द टेररिस्ट आउटफिट इन पब्लिक. Look at their guts and look at the so shameful that they are standing on behind the podium and वहाँ खड़े होके हुंकार भर रहे हैं. एक बार जरा क्रॉस करके इधर आइए, we will tell you what are you. And your question कि why Pakis are not accepting, the world has started accepting. Paki करे ना करे, we are not concerned. We know what exactly we are supposed to do now.
There are certain videos coming up जिसमें internally पाकिस्तान के लोग भी पाकिस्तान की गवर्नमेंट को सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे. In a way, indirectly they are supporting India. और क्योंकि वहाँ पे भुखमरी है, बुरे हाल हैं, और तो ये क्या एक तरह से जो इनकी जो जनता है वो भी अगेंस्ट है इनकी आर्मी के तरफ. तो इज इट अ फैक्ट कि इवन पाकिस्तान गवर्नमेंट वांट्स अ चेंज, वो भी चाहते हैं कि हमें मुक्त करो, कि यहाँ ऐसी सिचुएशन भी है?
Definitely. You take the example of Baluchis. Few days back, 10 men were taken into account. लगा के आईडी से उड़ा दिया उन्होंने. There was a video where the Baluchi is threatening the Paki forces कि we keep your general at the knock of juta. You must have seen that. And they are definitely, why not? They will definitely revolt. Their Paki army guys, they think they have become a bloody son-in-law. Actually, why is he not capable of protecting his family within his own country? हमारे देखिए सारे परिवार इधर ही रहेंगे हम लोग, and we will sort them out. What government has given? There is no government. पहली बात तो यार, they are puppets.
तो रोग गवर्नमेंट है एक तरह
You
से.
see the history here in our country. We take the entire team together. That is the basic problem in Pakistan. Or Jana Munir thought that I will do some kind of a misadventure, again some sympathy or a fame, and uske baad shabash. Now you see what exactly is happening to you people.
इन्होंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि इंडिया इतनी फास्ट ही एक्शन ले लेगा? वाज इट एक्सपेक्टेड बाय देम?
ऐसा है, उन लोगों को ना नशा था थोड़ा सा. वो धीरे धीरे अभी नशा नीचे आना शुरू हो गया है. उनको लग रहा था कि इंडिया विल again come inside. We are again wise, again thinking our soldiers are not expendable. This time we have sorted you out with the help of technology. We will tell you that we are capable of shattering you badly. And और जो रात को मिडनाइट में आपको हमने सूरज दिखाया है ना मिडनाइट में, this will keep happening now.
शाम को पूरे देश में ड्रिल होनी थी, मॉक ड्रिल्स होनी थी. तो अब इस समय क्योंकि इस एक्टिविटी के बाद और ये डेवलपमेंट के बाद, हाउ आर थिंग्स गोइंग टू चेंज एंड हाउ द सिटीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया नीड टू बिहेव एंड टेक स्टेप्स पर्सनल लेवल पे भी और एक नेशनल लेवल पे भी, एक अपनी देश की जिम्मेवारी समझ के भी. अब आज इस समय के बाद हमें कैसे सोचना चाहिए और कैसे एक्ट करना चाहिए?
Our country is a very responsible country. Each citizen is a very responsible, very effective citizen. Now, after going through all this, we all anticipated that something going to happen. And the same thing was anticipated in 71 also. 255, I think, that was the figure, districts, or rather today, Tri-City is also going to follow that blackout practice.
Yes.
Okay, that is fine. One thing you should also understand, blackouts are very much important, but technology has also gone ahead. By this, what I'm trying to convey, firstly, please do not believe in afwa. Please do not post anything, any stuff of the movement specifically of our troops or anything on your social medias.
Yes.
Keep the security of the situation. Absolutely, we are on the lines of Israel. Raid on NTB, when it was conducted in 1976, when it was launched, nobody was aware, less the president of the country and the troops taking part. And in an open forum, when they were launched, that is the time they announced that operation is already on. There is no need to panic. We are absolutely well stocked. The government is very effective. Civil administration is very effective. And everybody is doing their job. But as your own home, as an individual, you need to keep the emergency kit not only for yourself. There may be a requirement somebody else may use it. What is important within the colony, if you have got any ex-serviceman or a service personnel, please talk to them, take their advice. They will throw some light on how to protect yourself during any eventuality. Mahalla wise, you need to really create a small detachments who are working. You should ask for the volunteers. The present youth is very vibrant. Involve them. In somebody require any medical aid or something very suspicious movement is happening in your own area, please check it, inform the police. Do not take the law in the hand. My humble request to you, everybody is doing their wonderful job. Have faith, but do not panic. There is no requirement to panic.
So when we say that one should not panic in these kind of situations, but what happens sometimes is when there is a situation like this, there are always people who try to take advantage of the situation within the country as well, and innocent people get affected. Not if not from the enemy outside, but from the enemy inside, or sometimes from the people. So what is that prevention in that point of view people need to keep, and also a message to every Indian that what responsibility, even they might have ill intentions, so at this point of time how they need to behave as well, और वो क्या affect आएगा देश पे अगर कोई भी हिंदुस्तानी ऐसी कोई हरकत करे और इस मौके की एडवांटेज ले गलत.
देखो, firstly, every Indian is a very supremo, and I got a very serious doubt that they will not do it. However, as you said it, you cannot really read somebody's face. What is hidden in your heart and mind? If should the need arise, if anyone find anyone violating the basic code of conduct or really creating some type of a security breach, please nab him. फौज में सिखाया जाता है रोको, टोको, ठोको. And that is what exactly. That's why I am saying, colony-wise, you need to really bunch up, make a detachments.
We need to come together.
Yes. Operate in a team. This is the basic concept of our armed forces. And we will, as a team, we are standing behind our armed forces, as the government has also given the free hand to armed forces, and they're monitoring the situation. In such scenario, let's not do anything that your generation, when they talk about you tomorrow, should say कि यार वो मेरे actually बहुत गलत किया था उन्होंने. So let's not leave a wrong message. So this is my humble submission to you all.
So what next now? Now पाकिस्तान अब कैसे रिटेलिएट करेगा, और इस समय जियोपॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन भी क्या बोल रही है?
As I earlier said it, कि India has only gone for the terrorist basis. You cannot say that we are the uniters. अब पाकिस्तान के लिए कौन सा टारगेट होगा यहाँ पे? If they are doing so, they are declaring war against us. अगर उन्होंने किया, they are definitely walking on a ramp where we will be giving them complimentary katora.
Complimentary katora?
They don't have a capacity to fight for 7 days. They talk about the nuclear weapon. पता नहीं उनके ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे एक बहुत बड़ा खिलौना मिल गया उनको. Well, let me tell you, do not underestimate us also. And we don't boost. We will tell you what we have. And that too at the right time. But if they try to, उनका देखो, I see their interviews, पॉलिटिशियंस का, जर्नल्स का, कभी म्यूट कीजिए टीवी को, देन सी इट, allow the child to watch it, देख सके, replace it with the cartoons. I'm doing the body language they are. बात करते करते माइक को हिला देते हैं, I don't know, and they are so much restless. And वो वॉर क्या लड़ेंगे हमारे साथ? चलो लड़ने की जरूरत आ भी गई है उनको. 71 वॉर को याद कर लेना, कारगिल को भी. You people were crawled to surrender. तुम्हारे जनरल रो रहे थे, they were crying. Are you still looking for a same treatment? We will give you. We are absolutely very professional army, और बड़े तरीके से सिखाएंगे आपको. Your geopolitical, जिसका आप टर्की का और फलाने कंट्री का आप हवाला दे रहे हो, I tell you, ठीक है, we also got a friends, a good friends, but उनकी जरूरत हमें नहीं पड़ेगी. We are capable of handling our own war with our own hands. Okay? And your situation, if you talk about Arabian Sea, you're plugged. Okay? And now, if you talk about our Western Front, you don't have that much guts to walk in. You try once, any airstrike, you will be retaliated like hell. And अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि उधर से बांग्लादेश कुछ करेगा, you are sadly mistaken. We are also holding our fort there. And you please take care of your Baluchis. They are about to sort you out. Afghanis from your Western Front. तुम क्या करना चाह रहे हो, कहाँ कहाँ दौड़ाओगे अपनी फौज को, वो दौड़ दौड़ के थक जाएंगे. Focus at one place, apologize and surrender.
सर बीच बीच में खबरें आ रही हैं कि इनके ट्रूप्स भी रिजाइन कर रहे हैं, काफी ट्रूप्स रिजाइन कर रहे हैं, तो इन फाइटिंग है क्या इनकी?
So definitely, General Munir has sent his family to Western country. What message he is giving to his troops? कि my परिवार is safe, now you fight a war. They don't have a confidence in their own hierarchy. And Baluchis, even the Baluchis are in armed forces. Why should they fight against their own brothers when their women are raped, when their everything is snatched away, and when they were not treated like a, क्या कहते हैं, the part of their nation? Why should they? ट्रेन वाला एपिसोड याद कर लीजिए, आईडी वाले इनके जो ट्रक्स, तो उनको लगता है कि इट इज बेटर टू गेट लिबरेटेड, दिस इज द राइट टाइम. बाकी 71 में they were divided into 2 parts, and this time it is 4 parts.
4 parts.
Yeah, naturally, Baluch Sindh सारे अलग होने वाले हैं. इनका नक्शा, your नक्शा of Pakistan will be wiped off from the globe. And surrender इसलिए या resign इसलिए कर रहे हैं. These people, they don't have a faith in their own government and their own hierarchy.
सर ये बार बार एक ही धमकी देते हैं कि हमारे पास न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स हैं और हम भी चला सकते हैं, तो ये धमकी कितनी जायज़ है और कितनी नाजायज़ है?
मुझे ना समटाइम व्हेनेवर मुझे लगता है कि ग्रेजुएशन की जो कन्वोकेशन होती है ना, उनको बताया जाता है तेरे पर न्यूक्लियर हथियार भी है, बोलते रहना मार्केट में जाके, एंड एडवोकेट. अब कहावत याद आती है, वो बोलूँगा नहीं यहाँ पे. यू नो, इफ दे थिंक, व्हाट डू यू थिंक दैट इंडियन, तुम्हारी इकोनॉमी, तुम्हारा डिफेंस बजट आधा है हमसे. आई डोंट वांट टू गिव द डाटा, दो डिटेल विच इज ऑलरेडी गिवन बाय द मीडिया पीपल. सबको पता है किसके पास कितना चीज़ है और कब यूज़ करना है. आपका जोग्राफिकल एरिया तो इतना सा है, इंडिया इज अखंड भारत. यूज़ करके देखिए, इन वन गो वी विल टेक सॉर्ट यू आउट. एंड दम चाहिए होता है. वो आई सॉ वन स्पीकर इन टीवी कि धमकी दो, 4 बंदे आके फिर कहने नहीं नहीं छोड़ दो छोड़ दो छोड़ दो. द सेम psyops they are trying to apply on us. We are professional army. We don't get carried away by your these threats. You require guts, and we will show you what our guts are.
सर बांग्लादेश जब बना था इतनी एट्रोसिटीज की थी उस समय पाकिस्तानी जनरल्स ने, पाकिस्तानी आर्मी ने, फिर बांग्लादेश उनका साथ क्यों लेने की कोशिश कर रहा है? ये क्या सिचुएशन है? व्हाई आर दे नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग के जो समय उनके नहीं हुए और जिन्होंने उन्हीं पे जुल्म किया तो वो अब थोड़ा ना उनकी दोस्ती करेंगे? तो क्या ये माइंडसेट है वहां पे?
The mindset is very simple. Firstly, the common man out there in Bangladesh कहीं ना कहीं सफर कर रहा होगा. ऐसा है, masters are sitting there also. And the friend, their so-called prime minister, is really in भ्रम again. I don't know उसको नोबेल प्राइज कैसे मिल गया, मुझे हैरत होती है. But the point is, they need to really understand one point, that it is the same country which stabbed you and we were your saviors. But एक चीज, one thing is very, very natural. If you believe in karma, if you sow a wrong seed ना, उसकी फसल गलत ही आएगी. और अभी उनका बांग्लादेश का भी सैचुरेशन पॉइंट आ चुका है. इफ वी आर थिंकिंग कि पाकिस्तान इन कैपेसिटी, खुद के पास उनके खाने के लिए तो है नहीं, बांग्लादेश को क्या देगा वो? बांग्लादेश अभी थोड़ा सा अपना रोजी रोटी चला रहा है ना, उसमें फोकस करे. अगर नहीं करना चाहता, दे आर थिंकिंग अबाउट आवर नॉर्थ ईस्ट टू ट्राई, यू विल बी हैमर्ड बाय द लोकल्स ओनली. Oh, they are capable. And बाकी रही बात आपको, you think कि somebody will come and support you. We are also sitting. We also got our friends who will be looking at you and watching your each movement. So forget, but सद्बुद्धि आ जाए आपको, that will be good. नहीं आएगी तो the way Pakis are going, you will also come in the line, we will take you also.
तो चाइना का इस समय क्या रोल रहने वाला है?
चाइना देखो इज अगेन डेफिनेटली आई एम, जैसे कि उन्होंने पूरी पाकिस्तान को सपोर्ट किया था फोर्ट ग्वाडा तक. सरप्राइजिंगली मिडनाइट वाला ऑपरेशन संदूर के बाद उनका कोई खास, अभी तक जो मेरी नॉलेज है, कोई खास कमेंट आया नहीं है. वेयरएज यूके, रशिया, इजराइल डेफिनेटली हैज सपोर्टेड अस. Coming to China role, they are definitely conducting a type of naval exercises in our eastern part. That's alarming. However, we also have allowed even US Navy and other ships, other countries also, we are conducting a joint naval exercises. So, to counter them, we are prepared. That is, I'm talking about the eastern side. Coming to support the Pakistan in the terms of supplying the weapons, I think we need to really wait for another 24 hours or 48 hours. You cannot really predict their intentions. But you definitely need to really check or get conscious on a cyber warfare. They may not get involved directly. They will try something of these type of tactics or something, sending their ships. And we really need to absolutely on a watchful. We need to really keep a total deterrence in these regions and wait and watch वाला थोड़ा सा, I think मुझे लगता है इनके बारे में.
ये सिचुएशन इस हिसाब की है सर कि द एंटायर वर्ल्ड राइट नाउ इज लुकिंग एट इंडिया पाकिस्तान सिचुएशन. एंड वी इंडियंस स्पेशली जो जितनी भी बॉर्डर स्टेट्स हैं वो ज़्यादा वॉच रख रहे हैं और वो ज़्यादा वेट एंड वॉच भी गेम खेल रहे हैं. बट एट द सेम टाइम यूएस बड़ा अनप्रिडिक्टेबल है, जिससे कभी वो कहता है कि हम इंडिया के साथ हैं, कभी वो कहते हैं कि ये चीज़ नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो अभी यूएस का क्या रोल रहेगा और वो इंडिया के फेवर में रहेगा या न्यूट्रल ही रहेगा या फिर क्या सिचुएशन होने वाली?
Of course, मॉर्निंग न्यूज में द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ यूएस हैज सेड that hope this thing ends soon. Abhi, earlier, of course, our foreign policy along with US is very strong. A question. US is probably looking for a diplomatic approach in this to resolve this issue. If you must have heard the UN people also.
Yes.
है ना? So somewhere they are looking for a diplomatic solution to this. Whereas Russia has said ki I am there with you. Israeli definitely. And when we talk about their future approach to this problem, there can be a chances they may go neutral. Or there may be a chances they bring both the country on some common platform in the terms of to resolve it diplomatically. So that is what is can be predicted. Whereas in past, certainly many major deals have been really signed between our country and US. And definitely they respect our democracy. Definitely they respect our country. But now is the time basically to see ki who is going to prove in what manner.
इंडिया शुड गेट इनटू फुल ब्लोन वॉर और नॉट, बिकॉज जैसे हम देख रहे हैं कि 2030 तक हम थर्ड लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी बनने की राह पे हैं, तो अगर हम फुल ब्लोन वॉर में जाते हैं तो कहीं वो हमारा जो टारगेट है वो कहीं पीछे हट सकता है
Economy point of view?
इकोनॉमी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से।
Yeah, definitely. Whenever there is a war, there is all the time some effect to the economy of the country. But we have got a great capacity to recover also. And we had prepared ourselves for this day. We had a contingency planning. We have got great strategists, tacticians, and they knew this thing it may happen. That if India go for a war, we have catered for that much. So there will be a mild effect, but the major effect can be ruled out.
ओके
Yeah.
तो मतलब एक इन जनरल पब्लिक को इसका अफेक्ट होगा, या फिर जैसे हम फॉर एग्जांपल व्हाइल यू सिटिंग इन चंडीगढ़, यू सिटिंग इन दिल्ली, यू सिटिंग इन अहमदाबाद, तो पब्लिक को भी अफेक्ट हो सकता है, उसमें प्रिपेयर्ड रहना चाहिए उसके लिए।
Therefore, nothing can be overruled again. There are people specifically who are the shared hugging the borders, IB, LOC, or you come later in depth, need to be absolutely on a preparedness level. You should read the indicators. You should not bring your guard down. What I have spoken earlier about the duty of each citizen, that what is more important is awareness, know afar, and support to each other, and faith in the government as well as in the armed forces. That is the preparation. And within, you please start from your colony and then sector wise, and of course, then township. You definitely seek some type of a support from civil administration, give your views, right? And look for a suspicious people. This is what exactly we have already covered. And I believe we need to be totally on our guard actually. And but not as a guardsman, but we need to really watch it like a hawk.
सर यू हैव बीन अ एनएसजी कमांडो। पहले तो एनएसजी कमांडो बनना ही इट्स अ बिग फीट, एंड इट्स नॉट एवरीबडी इज एबल टू बिकम दैट। एंड सर्वाइवल टेक्निक्स पे, जो बेसिक सर्वाइवल पे, यू हैव मास्टर्ड दैट इन अ वे, एंड लुकिंग एट हाउ फिट यू आर
Thank you.
एंड हाउ यू कंडक्ट योर सेल्फ, इट्स अ शो केस। अब इस समय सर एक बेसिक सर्वाइवल की भी बात आ जाती है कि व्हेन समथिंग लाइक अ वॉर हैपन्स। अब वॉर सिचुएशन में कुछ भी हो सकता है, तो उस समय आपने जैसे बोला था सेफेस्ट आर द वंस हु आर एट द बॉर्डर, सेकंड सेफेस्ट हैं जो वेट कर रहे हैं उनकी बारी आने में, थर्ड है सिविलियंस जो तैयार नहीं है। तो हमें कैसे तैयार रहना चाहिए, एंड वो सर्वाइवल टेक्निक्स क्या होनी चाहिए in case of war and in general as well?
I will not really talk about the military survival. Basically, we need to speak about the common man, आम आदमी, जो हिंदुस्तान का है. Because their mindset is totally different than We are the trained people. And what I talk about, firstly, the positive bent of mind, will to survive, mindfulness, do not panic. And at the same time, what we say, think patiently. What I say, stop. Stop means see, and then thereafter think, then operate, and he say what I say that you must pursue. So you should, in your own mind, every human brain has got a tremendous capacity to carry out mental, what we call brainstorming. Think what next, what next. If you are tired, don't get overwhelmed by your daily routine. Give a pause, sit down, and think about it. What can go wrong? Chalk out contingencies. What if by chance some fire has taken place, or fire breaks out, or some major accident has taken place? What is my duty? What is my role? And during that time frame, within your own home, when you're moving, that time you should kindly take extra precautions. I'm not saying you stop visiting the tourist spots and all that in Himachal or don't plan your holidays. But when specifically in this scenario, if you're moving out anywhere, at the back of your mind, you should gear up for these type of eventualities. मैं रास्ते में जा रहा हूँ.
Alertness रहनी चाहिए.
Absolutely. Where I will be parking my car, how I will protect others also, how I will guide them, which will be the nearest place to hide. When am I carrying extra ration? Am I carrying first aid? That is what, not only for me, for others, ample water. So such thing. If I'm at home, my children are should not be out at the odd timings. If they are in school, they need to take, of course, we have seen the school is also taking a lot of precautions. So within our own home also, you need to chalk out a certain strategy, one. And when we talk about the survival, we will not only survive, you will graduate royally. Okay? So it is state of mind. Absolutely. Don't think like a guard man, think like a hunter. That is what.
सर SSB में एक जब हम करते हैं तो एक SRTs आते हैं, सिचुएशन रिएक्शन टेस्ट होता है. तो
Yeah.
SRT gives you, and that's more of a test for
Exactly.
of the mindset.
Exactly.
एंड अगर फॉर एग्जांपल I'll take a situation, because ये सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि इन केस you're at your home and suddenly आपको लगता है कि आसपास कहीं बॉम्बिंग हो रही है and you're not expecting, but वॉर सिचुएशन में you have to expect the unexpected. तो पहला उस समय स्टेप क्या होना चाहिए किसी का भी, अगर इन केस दे हेयर बॉम्बिंग एनीवेयर अराउंड? तो क्योंकि उस समय पता तो नहीं है कब कहाँ क्या हो, तो पैनिक सबसे पहले होता है, लोग भागते हैं या चीखा चलाई शुरू हो जाती है. तो वो क्या सिचुएशन हो, जो फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या लेना चाहिए उस समय?
The first step, firstly, get out of the zone. If you're safe, then you will be in position to save others.
लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल सर, जब बाहर निकलते सब तो स्टैम्पीड होने के भी चांसेस होते हैं. पैनिक में गाड़ियां लोग चलाएंगे, हिट भी होती हैं ये चीज़ें. we have seen in movies as well. ज़्यादा movies में देखा.
देखो, the best thing is that time we call it a freezing drill. Freeze wherever you are. Because any movement, if there is an airstrike or a bombing, attracts attention. हरकती टारगेट के ऊपर सबसे पहले हमला होता है. The person who is static, go to some safe place, then see who is more needy, who is under shock. Please take them out also from that zone. In this Pahalgam attack, there was one army officer who has really helped 10 people to move out of that particular area. Use your presence of mind, application of mind. Rather than rushing toward and bunching up, you're making a big target. There is no need to run around, definitely. You freeze yourself there, analyze the situation, speak to your near dear, I'm safe, because they are the people. There will be so much rush about where are you, where are you, where are you, rather than they give call to you, yeah, I'm fine, or leave a message, I'm okay. Leave a message on your WhatsApp status, I'm fine, everything is okay. And then look for a needy people who require your services. That is what I try to say.
सर आपने टीम वर्क का बहुत अच्छी एक बात कर रहे हैं कि जैसे जैसे मोहल्लाज जुड़े हैं, फिर सेक्टर्स जुड़े हैं, फिर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पूरा एक एमसी का एरिया इकट्ठे जुड़े एंड पर उसमें एक कई बार सवाल आता है कि अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल चाहे हम जितना मर्जी समझा लें वो हेवायर जाते ही हैं व्हेन दे आर नॉट इन अ यूनिफॉर्म कोड। सिविलियन लाइफ में वो एक डिसिप्लिन नहीं होता जो एक आर्मी में या किसी भी डिफेंस उसमें रहता है। तो उस केस में मतलब ऐसा कौन सा बेसिक मिलिट्री स्टाइल ऑफ लाइफ अडाप्ट किया जा सकता है, कोई बेसिक 4-5 पॉइंटर्स जो मिलिट्री अप्लाई करती है एंड इट वर्क्स, इट ऑलवेज वर्क्स, जो कोई भी हाउस होल्ड कर सकता है एंड दैट कैन बिकम अ यूनिफॉर्म थिंग फॉर एवरीवन, कि अगर वो 5 पॉइंटर्स सारे करेंगे तो यूनिफॉर्मिटी आ सकती है उसमें। वो क्या हो सकते हैं टॉप 5 पॉइंटर्स?
देखो, इन सच सिचुएशन, like first, wherever we go, we just don't go very blindly. Specifically in this situation, if I'm stepping out from my home, am I really prepared? Suppose I go for a patrolling. Am I really prepared for the patrolling? A contingency or the emergency can occur. Am I carrying that kind of a stuff with me? First, the preparation. Prepare your mind, prepare yourself. That is one part. Don't go randomly, dekh lenge. No. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. We always plan before launching ourselves. Secondly, when you have gone to the particular ground, you then correlate with your plans to find, is it the way I wanted it? If you find something is lacking, create an innovative idea. Use your application. What is the application of mind? There are many.
जैसे देसी इंडियन जुगाड़ जैसे बोलते हैं।
Then thereafter, adaptation to the situation is very important. हो गया, something has gone wrong, no worries. I never came out from a home with a plan A or a one plan. I got a 4 plans to it.
Contingency plans.
Yes. And thirdly, when we get out of that zone, please carry out the brainstorming, what went wrong, what I should do in future, and that is what we call lesson learned. That is what exactly 4 points.
For the youth, sir, especially for youth, क्योंकि this is I call them as digital natives. So that's the term which has been used for that. So physical activity comparatively कम है आज की डेट में, from the age of I would say even 10 to 25 का जो ग्रुप है physical activity comparatively कम है। तो और ऐसी सिचुएशंस देखी भी नहीं कभी लाइफ में। तो फर्स्ट टाइम सिचुएशंस लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव बीन बॉट अप थ्रू द टाइम जब 1999 की कारगिल वॉर हुई थी, तो एक एक्सपोजर था, थोड़ा सा आइडिया है, बट अभी उनको बिल्कुल नहीं है। तो वो हाउ कैन दे मैनेज देमसेल्व्स राइट नाउ एंड ऐड वैल्यू टू द सिचुएशंस और इन मेंटेनिंग द ऑर्डर ऑफ द सोसाइटी?
That's a very great question, right? That is actually required to be addressed. Recently, I gone on a TEDx talk as a TEDx speaker. Topic was that future fossils, ashes remain. When the child is born, very happy, very innocent, 4, 5, giving smile to everyone. And suddenly, a thing like this comes in his hand, and this thing start governing. Parents also, my humble request to parents, please, this is just a request. No, I'm not against technology. Give them that much only, fix the timing. You cannot keep your child away from the technology also. matching the step with the present world. But it should not happen that he or she becomes a robo. There will be no emotions. When there is no emotion, the body suffer. Human is the only species God has given a chance to take birth on this earth because we are the strongest souls. Let's give the test of each day and prove to God that you have not done the mistake. Machine is definitely important, but man behind the machine is very important. And when we talk about the physicals and what do you do in day-to-day life, in every session of mine, honestly, this is my favorite thing. Please get up in the morning, give 30 minutes to yourself, and that too early morning, see the sunrise, bird flying toward the west and east. They are very intelligent. रोशनी की तरफ उड़ता है पक्षी. But we are only sitting with a mobile. Leave that technology there and revise what exactly I'm going to do in present day. Grip your day. It should not happen that you are not the sarthi of your what you are riding, that horse is dragging you. So let that situation should not arise. First 30 minutes is the golden time of the day. Exercise your mind. Go closer to the nature. Accept nature as your mentor. You will live very happily and peace of mind, and you will remain physically strong. इतिहास है, एंशिएंट एरा में भी चले जाइए, मैथोलॉजी में भी चले जाइए. They were very strong people. पांडव्स उनके टेम्पल्स बनाए, देखिए कितना बड़ा पत्थर उठा के रखते थे. That means they were very strong. Over a period of time, the things have come down. So technology is important. Fossils वाला जो मैं बता रहा था, present generation is very dynamic. You are excellent, but do something that much great that your signature should be taken as a real great history for future generation.
Amazingly said, sir. This is what is required. And you have been a NSG commando yourself. तो NSG में इतने जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा NSG कमांडोज क्यों नहीं होते? इज इट दैट टफ टू गेट एंट्रेंस टफ होता है, या उसके क्राइटेरियाज बहुत स्ट्रिंजेंट होते हैं? व्हाट इज दैट रीज़न कि ब्लैक कैट जो होता है वो बहुत कम नंबर्स में है?
You look, every Indian soldier is capable of becoming. No, first point. But there is something really, again, special. And that's a reason that the probation is designed. You have volunteered. We respect the sentiments that I want to join. But we'd like to know whether you have got that type of bent of mind. What I was mentioning that movies में दिखाते हैं John Rambo is gone to Afghanistan and sorting out entire army. Big muscles, no, it's a state of mind. The speed marches we run with the 18 kg pack and 20, 30 kilometer, 40 kilometer, and it is total mental fitness. We endure. The most important aspect, physical तो आप कभी भी तगड़े हो जाओगे 1 महीने के अंदर. What is that your instinct, your jazba of a team spirit is the most important. When the officer is taken into special forces, every member of the special forces, the junior most sipahi is taken into account. If Saab is better to be accepted in our team, he say yes, then he's taken. You need to be accepted. Physically is fine. How we never leave our body behind in the enemy lines. We bring them on our shoulder. What may come. This is what is the requirement of any commando in any part of the world, not only in India.
फिल्मों में दिखाया जाता है कि बहुत बड़े बड़े मसल्स होते हैं, बाइसेप्स होते हैं, बट आई जितने भी NSG कमांडोज में मिला हूँ, देखा है.
You must have found them like a hawk
Yes.
or a hounds. Yeah.
But they are men of steel.
The thing is that there is something called rugged muscles. There is something called go to gym and eat. पता नहीं वो क्या बॉटल में डाल के बेचारा पी रहा होता है. मैं पूछ ही लेता होता हूँ कभी कभी.
वे प्रोटीन
हाँ,
पाउडर.
तो whatever it is, it's not required. Really not required. You want to show your muscle can. जो जिम वाला मसल है वो 30 मिनट्स में थक जाएगा. The muscle which is prepared in धूप के अंदर will go long. And that's the reason I start my run. My course mate, I really like my course mates. वो मेरे को बोलते रहते हैं कि why do you start your run at 10 o'clock every day? I start my run. I go for 10 kilometer every day. तो मैं उनको बोलता हूँ यार I am preparing, gearing up myself for the worst. तो worst में जब आप डालोगे, when you are given a red carpet, you will roll.
Wow.
So that is what. So gym is, I'm not really against. Please do it. But AC चल रहा है, उसमें पसीना भी नहीं आ रहा है, और ट्रेडमिल के ऊपर हो, you are still on your mobile and walking. Walk करना, बाजार चले जाओ. Why you walk in a treadmill? I until date never walked on a treadmill. Never. Injustice to that machine. I feel ashamed कि यार मैं मशीन के ऊपर चढ़ा हूं, मैं वॉक कर रहा हूं. यूज इट. 15 किलोमीटर की स्पीड पे भी जा सकती है वो. वाई ओनली कन्फाइंड टू 6? वाई वी आर ओनली जस्ट इतने मेरे बड़े मसल हो गए. रस्सा चढ़ो जरा, एक बार पता चलेगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू.
यस.
एक बार बीम करके देखो, पता चले कितनी ताकत है. यू विल डू इट. आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट.
सो फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैं रस्सा चढ़ा था तो उस समय आई हैड गुड मसल्स, पर रस्सा नहीं चढ़ा गया था. फिर उसके बाद पतला हो गया था, पर चढ़ा जा रहा.
Yeah. You need to be absolutely rugged muscle बनाओ rather than showing and impressing the world. World will not get impressed. World will only get impressed when you strike. Be a hound.
Be a hound. So it's been lovely talking to you. There are so many things I wish to talk more and more and more, but I want that ये इन्फॉर्मेशन सही तरीके से सब तक पहुंचे, और एक ऐसे तरीके से इस सिस्टम से पहुंचे कि जो आपका माइंडसेट है वो एवरीबडी इज एबल टू इनकलकेट, एंड दैट्स नॉट ओनली योर माइंडसेट. बट एक जाते जाते एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, हमारी डिफेंस फोर्सेस पे हमें क्यों कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए, और वो बाकी डिफेंस फोर्सेस से अलग कैसे हैं.
देखो, why we should have a confidence in our armed forces, because they have been trained actually in that manner. They have been trained that service before self. Chetfoot के ऊपर लिखा हुआ. And this is embedded in our heart and mind. It flows in our blood. Military profession is not only profession, it is a lifestyle. When it is a lifestyle, you are very effective. And when you go to any academy, when you see, और any रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में देख लीजिए, you will never find any फौजी violating traffic rules. गाड़ी खड़ी है, खड़ा है चुपचाप. तो अगर वो इतना अच्छा कंडक्ट कर रहा है, he is trying to prove himself the effective citizen of the country. Others are also there. ऐसा नहीं है. But I am only talking about the armed forces. तो people look at them, people look at their uniform, people get a positive vibe, and that should be the reason you should have a confidence in them. And they trained hard. And anywhere, anything is happening, earthquake, floods, anywhere, anything has happened. The history is unevident. This army again has come. We are the iron fist in a velvet glove. A compassion and sympathy. Sympathy means बहुत बुरा हुआ. Compassion means hold my hand, I will take you out from this situation.
And how the Indian armed forces are different than the rest of the world.
We are supremo. We have proved, we are battle hardy people. We have created history. We are really by our valor proved to the entire world. आप देख लीजिए, बैटल सारागढ़ी से शुरू हो जाओ, जो फ्रांस में पढ़ाया जाता है, यूनेस्को की पहली 8 बैटल्स के अंदर है. हवलदार ईश्वर सिंह का द ब्रेवरी एक्ट. यू सी all those war heroes of Kargil everywhere. And that's the difference. जब कारगिल में हमारे इतने वी फॉलो द मिलिट्री इथोस, जब पाकि सोल्जर्स को वहाँ पे हुआ था, वी आज द पाकि प्लीज कम एंड कलेक्ट द बॉडीज. वी हैड दैट मच रिस्पेक्ट फॉर द डेड सोल्जर. उन्होंने लेने से मना कर दिया था. वी बरीड देम. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर डिफरेंट. वी ट्रीट इवन वो दुश्मन है, ठीक है, वो तब तक है जब तक जिंदा था. तो दैट इज द डिफरेंस. We are totally, absolutely professional army. We will not violate any basic code of conduct of which is taught to us by our armed forces in our training.
Sir, it's been lovely talking to you, and I look forward to talking more to you in the coming days. And your insights are going to be very valuable, especially in these times जब इतना कुछ हो रहा है इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के बीच में, और हर भारतीय को भारतीय होने का गर्व होना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, और एक जज्बा इज़ मोर इम्पोर्टेंट दैन डर. तो वो पैनिक ना करें, हम जज्बे में रहें, साथ ही माइंडफुल रहें, पॉजिटिव रहें.
Absolutely. अच्छी विचारधारा होनी चाहिए. I am also very grateful to you that you have invited me on your platform, and my best wishes to you, of course, and definitely I really look forward that our great countrymen, fellow citizens, are going to prove themselves in this hour when our great armed forces are looking for your great support in the form of your great mindfulness. And you are good. Thanks a ton. Jai Hind.
जय हिंद. सर, वन लास्ट बाइट. सर, आपको सुप्रीत सिंह शो में आके कैसा लगा?
Your platform, if I talk about, is a very, very, really, I get a positive vibe, firstly. And I really wanted to share a lot of things with the people. And through your platform, I got an opportunity to really bring out my inner soul, actually. And it is totally a very dynamic platform, which in a subsequent time also, you will yield a great result. You are doing a wonderful job as far the nation building is concerned, and bringing the right people at the right place. And of course, giving a kind of education to many others who are really require a kind of a little ray in this dark hours, though we will overcome, not to worry. Of course, your platform will keep doing a great job. Thanks a ton.
Thank you, sir. Means a lot.